AI is often talked about as something futuristic or highly technical. But the truth is, one of the best things about AI is how useful it can be in everyday life. In fact, AI can save you time every single day in ways you may not even realize. Today, I want to show you 10 practical ways AI can help make life easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's get started. Number 1 is writing emails. This is one of the easiest ways to save time with AI. Whether you need to write a professional email, reply to a customer, or send a difficult message, AI can help you write faster and more clearly. Number 2 is summarizing long information. We all deal with too much information. Long articles, reports, documents, emails. AI can quickly summarize large amounts of information into simple key points, helping you save time and focus on what matters. Number 3 is meal planning. Trying to decide what to eat every day can be surprisingly exhausting. AI can help you build meal plans based on your preferences, health goals, and available ingredients. Number 4 is creating grocery lists. This works perfectly with meal planning. You can ask AI to turn a weekly meal plan into a complete organized grocery list in seconds. Number 5 is travel planning. Planning trips can take hours. AI can help build travel itineraries, compare options, suggest places to visit, and organize your trip much faster. Number 6 is scheduling and calendar planning. Busy schedules can feel overwhelming. AI can help organize your tasks, structure your day, and create better routines. Number 7 is brainstorming ideas. Sometimes the hardest part is getting started. Whether it's business ideas, content ideas, projects, or creative work, AI can help generate ideas quickly. Number 8 is learning faster. AI is an amazing learning tool. You can ask it to explain difficult topics in simple terms, break things down step by step, and help you understand things more clearly. Number 9 is budget planning. Managing money can feel stressful. AI can help you organize expenses, build simple budgets, and identify areas where you may be overspending. And number 10 is daily task organization. Sometimes life feels chaotic. AI can help you prioritize tasks, build to-do lists, and create a clear plan for the day. Here's the big takeaway. AI is not just about advanced technology. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and helping you focus on what matters most. Used the right way, AI can become one of the most useful tools in your daily life. Start simple. Pick one small task and let AI help you save time today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Ask Andy AI, and I'll see you in the next video.